Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. What are we doing today? Something a little different. We did one of these last year. I think around Christmas time we had a boneless half butt roast. And so I got another one and threw it in the freezer. We're going to cook that up today. Now here's a recipe that's on the back. But we're not going to follow that. We don't follow no stinking recipes. No. But we are going to like loosely base it a little bit. I'm going to throw some French onion, a cut up onion, and my usual suspects of spice. All right. The only thing I can't remember is should I leave the net on or not. I like taking that thing off ahead of time if I can, because it's all going to fall apart anyway. So I think I'm going to take that net off. I'll be back here in a minute. Show you what it looks like. Hey, what video would be complete without my Leo, huh? You helping me cook dinner? Huh? Not talking this morning. All right. Let's get back to it, huh? French onion pork. Okay, the pork has been freed from its net. And I think what I'm going to do here is turn it over. Because it's been my experience in the past that people always say fat side. Oh, I got a little piece of the net left in the pot. Gotta get rid of that. Okay. We'll be back at you here in just a minute. Get some more stuff on it. Now for the soup prep, we're going to take these 2 cans of the French onion and mix them up in here with 1 can of water. So we'll show you how that looks. Came out a little bit waterier than I would like. So we'll see how it goes in with the pork. If need be, we might stir in just another soup here. Yeah, I think we'll just go with the 2 cans. I did want to point out that it has a really yummy recipe for dripping roast beef sandwich. Ooh. Bet I don't have any roast beef. Alright, let's go see how it looks with the soup in the crock. We'll be right back. There we go. It's about halfway up, so that should be okay. Once we throw in some onion with that, that's going to create some juice too. Let's get that onion cut up. Alright, got the onions in there, the juice and the spice. But you know what? It feels like something's missing. What could it be? Mushrooms, that's what. So, we're going to get those in there and get this party started. I can't wait for this dinner. It's so exciting. It's going to be yummy. This is our Valentine's dinner. Hopefully you'll still see it in the month of February. All right, let's get these mushrooms in. All right, that is definitely what was missing. And it got the juice up a lot higher now, too. Because, you know, I probably didn't drain those mushrooms. I like some mushroom juice. Yum, yum. Okay. Well, you lucky folks are going to get to see the finished product in an instant, but I have to wait some 10 grueling hours because we're going to cook it about 10 hours approximately. So, we will see you then. It's that magical time. Ooh, we added greeny beanies to our mix here. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Set this lid down, yeah. And we're going to serve it up with some long grain herb rice. Yeah, that came out yummer. All right, let's get this plated up. We'll show you how it looks. All right, here we go. We got this plated up. We'll do a quick flyby here. Them mushrooms and onions go real well with things like green beans. It just turns into a double portion. Dad even gets leftovers, lucky man. Alright, thanks so much for watching our silly, funny, foodie videos. If you want to see more of these, please like, share, and especially subscribe. And we hope to see you again. Have a good day.